my buddy. Today I have something real cool to show you. It's actually a deep fryer. And I'm also going to be showing you how to use it. And I'm also going to make some french fries with it. So, you guys ready? Let's get to it. Okay, so I have the oil heated up. But first, we need to add some more oil. So, give me a second. So you see, it has to be at least halfway up of a basket. So yeah, as you can see, okay, so I'm waiting for it to heat up, so that way we can check the french fries in here. So just give me a few minutes. Alright, looks like the oil is pretty much heated up. Now, I'm gonna add some french fries in here. Oh, the oil hasn't heat up all the way, so give me a second. Okay, so I think the oil is just hot enough, so we can dump the mayonnaise. So you see the cooking. What's the crackling sound? So, we'll close it. And just wait until it's finished. See guys, the french fries are cooking. So we'll just wait for a few minutes and then we'll see what the results are. Yeah, I think it's better to close it, so that way you won't get splashed with oil. So, yeah, so I'm sure it's gonna be perfect. So, let's wait a few minutes and we'll see what we got. So, yeah, some of these steam is coming out. Not sure if you guys can see, but yeah. Okay, I think it sounds like it's done. So let's check it out. Oh, beautiful. That's a yellow and golden. So now we'll put it on a plate with some kitchen paper. never turn this on. Oh my god, look how crispy these are. Beautiful. This deep fryer is awesome. Now you guys, your favorite seasoning here. I'm gonna season it with salt and pepper. Oh, take a look at this. Thumbs up. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that video of this awesome the deep fryer, and the fries are cooked perfectly. I think I might give this a try. Yeah, these are perfect. So, yep, my mom bought it. Yeah, you can use it on pretty much anything, right, Mom? You can use it on fish, chicken nuggets, potato wedges, anything. So, we hope you guys really enjoyed that. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, leave a comment. See you all next time. Have a nice day, and peace out.